Hello बच्चों, let's have a look at this question which says which of the following statements about enzymes are true. Options में हमें 4 statements provided हैं regarding the functionality or characteristics of enzymes and we have to identify the correct statement. The key concept is enzymes. तो हम वन बाय वन सारी स्टेटमेंट्स को चेक करते हैं टू फिगर आउट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Statement number 1 says enzyme catalyze chemical reactions by lowering the activation energy. इसे हम एक ग्राफ की हेल्प से समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. Let's say this is a graph of energy against reaction progress. Okay. तो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी हमें पता है वो एनर्जी होती है द मिनिमम एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू कन्वर्ट रिएक्टेंट्स इनटू प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, लेट्स से दिस इज द एनर्जी ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स. Okay, as the reaction proceeds, we get a curve like this. Now, this is the reaction of, energy of reactants. While this level is of products. अब रिएक्टेंट से प्रोडक्ट तक जाने के लिए we have to cross this energy barrier. It is known as activation energy. This is the activation energy barrier that needs to be crossed. अब let us say the same reaction is proceeding in the presence of an enzyme. Okay. This is the energy of reactants. This is the energy of products. ये same रहेगी. However, अगर हम notice करें तो this energy barrier has decreased. Activation energy decreases. So this was without enzymes. Whereas this reaction is taking place with enzyme. तो एंजाइम जो होते हैं वो कैटलाइज करते हैं रिएक्शन बाय लोअरिंग द एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. अब सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट को हम देखते हैं विच सेज एंजाइम्स आर हाईली स्पेसिफिक बोथ इन बाइंडिंग द chiral substrate and in catalyzing their reaction. This statement is also correct because enzymes are formed from amino acid sequence. These are proteinaceous in nature which have a specific sequence. So let's say we have an enzyme like this, a schematic representation, and there are two substrates. This is an enzyme and there are two substrates present. One is this and second is this. Okay, तो अगर हम इसकी शेप देखें एंजाइम पॉकेट की, it matches with this. Okay, so this substrate will fit in enzyme active site. We can say enzyme pocket. Okay, तो ये fit होगा, तो this substrate will bind to the enzyme and not this one. So this depicts that enzyme activity is highly specific. So the correct statement, second statement is also correct. Now the third statement, which says enzymes lack nucleophilic groups. So we know there are a number of enzymes having groups like enzyme have groups like SH, which is a thiol group, OH, which is hydroxyl group, NH2, which is amine group. Okay, so all these groups are present in enzyme active site containing amino acids like lysine, cysteine, etc. So these are nucleophiles. These are nucleophiles. So this statement is incorrect. Now the last statement, which says pepsin is a proteolytic enzyme. So it is correct. Proteolytic enzymes are the enzymes which carry out the hydrolysis of peptide bond in proteins and convert it into polypeptides shorter than proteins, and these shorter peptides are again acted upon by another proteolytic enzyme, which is trypsin, and converts it into amino acids. So this statement is also correct. So the statements about enzyme which are true is option number 1, option number 2, and option number 4. All these statements are true regarding enzymes. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.